In this video, you will learn how to set the ZT610 DPI micro-label printer into precision printing mode. Ensure that the media and ribbon, if used, are loaded into the printer. Touch menu on the printer. Touch Settings. Touch Precision Printing. Touch On. The printer will warn you that some current calibrations will be reset upon restart. Touch to check to confirm. The printer will shut down and restart. The printer will then perform an automatic calibration. When the printer restarts, it is in precision printing mode.